Hi, this is Clara for Blockchain of Things. In this tutorial, we'll create a flow containing the Retrieve Asset Info node. If you don't know what a Retrieve Asset Info node is, make sure you check out the previous video titled Understanding the Retrieve Asset Info node, which you can access at this link. Let's begin. Drag a Retrieve Asset Info node into your workspace. Double-click it to display its Properties slide-out panel. On the Device drop-down field, choose your Catenis virtual device. Add the node's configuration information based on your needs to each field. Wire this node to a debug node and open the debug sidebar. Next, drag and drop an inject node to the Node-RED workspace. Wire the inject node to the Retrieve Asset Info node, then double-click the inject node to open its Properties slide-out panel. Select the drop-down Payload field and choose the JSON type. An ellipse button will appear to the right of the field. Click it to display a JSON edit box. Enter the JSON information you wish to pass as input to the Catenis node, for example, something like this, but using your own asset ID. Click the Done button. Then click the Done button again to exit the Properties dialog box. Click the Deploy button to deploy the flow. Now, let's test the flow. Click the button on the left of the inject node to send the input from the inject node through the flow. The debug sidebar should now display the returned JSON object containing the API call results to the right side of the workspace. Great work! Now that you know how to create a flow using the Retrieve Asset Info node in runtime mode, it's time to move on to our next tutorial where you'll learn how to use this node in interactive mode.